Hello, everyone. I'm Will Rouse. I'm originally from West Palm Beach, Florida. I currently live in San Angelo, Texas. I'm here. I'm active duty Air Force. I'm stationed here at Goodfellow Air Force Base. I'm in the program uh, because I'm trying to meet my prerequisites to apply to a PA program. So that is the reason for taking this course. I'm not currently full time. Um, but I do have a couple more classes left before I'm able to actually apply for this PA program. So really close. Um, I have a family. I'm married. I have four kids now, with number five on the way very soon. So I'm pretty busy. They they pretty much are my hobby, is dealing with them. Other than that, just kind of doing things around the house. Listening to podcasts or audiobooks or anything like that. Like I said, it's not a whole lot of free time that I have. Other than that, that's me. Look forward to seeing all of you guys, meeting you, and thanks.